Hey guys, so I got a new purse today. Brian keeps telling me, like, for my birthday he wanted to get me one, and for Christmas, and I kept saying no, but of course the Black Friday deals I guess get ya. Anyway, so I tend to favor Coach, which is why I'm always like no, because they're pricey. And I currently, I'll put you down here. I currently have this bag from Coach. It has 3 compartments here. Oops, sorry, kids are in here. 3 compartments here. You know, this one buttons, this one zips, the middle one zips, and then this one's like a little pull clasp. It's funny because I always go back and forth about, I want a smaller bag. No, now I want a bigger bag. No, I want a smaller bag. So this time, of course, I wanted something bigger. So I saw the Bailey online. This is the Bailey. It's obviously bigger than this one. And I thought about doing, actually Brian told me to do a video after I had already taken it out of the package. So I have some of it undone here. It comes in a pretty white bag with Coach on it. And we ordered online, so it came pretty quick in a box and stuff. My one major thing, this had a bunch of stuffing in it before I opened it. The one major thing is I have my carry conceal license, and that's important to me, like when I'm out with the kids, and I'm always looking for something that will hold it nice. And the one thing that I did like about this is the inside pocket. Hopefully you can see that it's pretty big. I already have it in there, and I'm able to close the pocket no problem. I have a lot more room, and then I have a bunch more room in here where I can put the rest of my stuff. There's a couple of pockets in here, so that will house chapstick and all that. And then there's only a clip close, which I haven't even taken these off yet. So we'll go ahead and take these protective. So it closes pretty easy there. And then the 2 sides here and here, please don't do that, have clips as well, and to make it a little bit bigger. For now, I'm going to keep them closed just because I feel like it keeps it a little bit tighter. And then there's also a front pocket here, and there's a magnetic close here, and that, hopefully you can see that, but there's these little circles here, and it just closes with a magnet. Really easy to open. These are the only straps, so there's not a long strap so that you can hold it on its side, which is something that I didn't want. My old purse here also has the short straps. I like the shorter ones. I like to keep it close. Actually, it's kind of funny because I asked my husband, I'm like, what do you think? Because he actually carries my purse a lot. So I'm going to go ahead now and cut these off here. Trying to see the strap. Anyways, I went with, I'm not exactly sure what they call the color online, but this is kind of a dark blue, kind of navy. It doesn't say on the tag here. Oh, nope, it doesn't. It says navy. So, yeah. So this is the Bailey from Coach. So far, so good. Now I'm just going to swap them over and fit them, and enjoy my new purse. So, I don't know, hopefully you like it. Oh, then here's the other thing too. I've never gotten one of these little heart charms before. I don't know if they're new. And my old one, I usually try to keep the things on them. I guess my old one maybe didn't come with any because of the straps the way they are. But yeah, it's like a little golden heart. I don't know. So there you have it. This is the Bailey in navy from Coach. Anyways, I hope you guys scored some cool Black Friday deals, and I will enjoy my Christmas present, / birthday present. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.